Good morning. I am here about to switch out my kefir grains. I'm going to drain them to get the kefir, and then I'll feed them. I am actually new to milk kefir. We've done water kefir grains before and made the juice-like sodas with them. This time I got some kefir grains, some milk kefir grains from one of my friends, and I actually prefer milk kefir because it is very simple process. With the water kefir, you let it sit in a jar and do its thing, and then you have to put it in a airtight container that has one of those flip tops on it to keep it from exploding and feed it with something that's sweet to let it finish its fermentation and let it be yummy and taste like soda. I find life a lot more busy right now, so with milk kefir grains you don't have quite the long process. You can, after you're done putting them in here and letting them go for about 12 hours, you can take this kefir that's in my bowl and put it in another jar with some fruit and let it sit for another 2 to 5 hours. I'm still learning, but I haven't put the berries or the fruit, the orange or the lemon peels work really well. Blueberries are supposed to work really well. So then I'm gonna, now that I've gotten all the kefir off, I'm gonna put my grains back into my jar. And then I'll take my milk and just fill it up about halfway. And then you're supposed to let this sit for about 12 hours. Sometimes my days get crazy, like yesterday, and it went about probably 18 hours, which leaves the kefir a little bit more sour, but I don't mind that because it's still very usable. I've been putting it in pancakes, biscuits, and I've even tasted a little bit of it, and it doesn't hurt you. It's just more sour. So I don't mind that at all. I have been collecting yesterday's batch, and today's batch are actually going to go into a smoothie for my kids today after school. So I'm gonna probably put some blueberries and some bananas with it and blend it right up and give them a yummy treat that's got the good stuff for their gut in it, lots of good probiotics and prebiotics, and I'm really excited about that, and they're much more excited about trying it as a smoothie than just straight. I've actually got some store-bought goat kefir from goat milk that is blueberry and pomegranate flavored, and I really like it, but it does still have that sour twang to it of milk kefir, what you would expect, and my kids were like, ew. So I think that they'll like the smoothie a lot better. I think it'll go over a lot better. But yeah, so I've got my kefir in my bowl. I've got probably a little over half a cup, and I've got a little over half a cup in the fridge, so it'll be perfect. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe.